Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok lag. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok lag, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have on your TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.